So guys, earlier we discussed about the generally how companies are migrated from you know a one system to another system, especially from example various ERP systems to Workday, okay, and how we are going to access to the Workday systems, okay. So that's a generic process we discussed, okay, and also how the tenant URLs are configured, okay, and how you are able to access the Workday system, and generally how many tenants we have, okay. So generally how many tenants we have, and each tenant what purpose we are using. Also we can see each tenant is have a separate URL case, separate URL. And very important note, please don't try with any other URLs, okay. You should get only implementation access for your practice, okay, and we will share those, okay, the implementation URL and user ID and password. You are able to access your Workday system for practice, okay. And please don't share with anyone these guys, okay. It's very confidential, and every IP address should be trackable, okay. You can see, I will show you. There is a task name, okay. I'm just going to perform some start proxy. It means this is a special task. You can log in as behalf of others, okay. So I'm logging as a powerful user. I will just start proxy as. It means you can log in as behalf of others. This user is have the powerful admin. Okay. So generally this is the task name. View user activity. What is the task name, guys? View user activities. For example, okay, you can see this account. For example, I gave this account to one person. We can see which IP address he logged and what is the browser he was using that, okay, and see what all activities you are going to perform that, okay. Everything should be trackable, okay. So if you click on one tab also, everything should come as part of this processing. Every activities will be trackable, which IP address, when you log in, what time you log in, what all activities you are performing. We have a clear audit to keep monitoring the audits, okay. That is why, so please don't share with your user ID and password details to anyone, okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next topic, the workday look and feel, okay. So generally what I said, okay, I'm going to sign out, okay. So this is the URL you may receive, correct. This is the URL you may receive. You click on the sign in, correct, and you just enter the user ID and password. Just enter the user ID and password, click on OK. Yeah, yes, you are successfully logged into Workday system. You are successfully logged into Workday system. Once you log into Workday system, this is the look and feel. Correct, Emma? This is the a look and feel of Workday login page. And most important thing in Workday is search engine, the search box. So Workday is a very strong search engine application. Okay, and Workday won't support any navigation bar. Workday won't support any navigation bar. For example, you want to create one location. What is the task name? create location is the task name. You enter that task name in the search box, you will get the search prefix, the search result, that create location task will be coming. And unfortunately, go to main menu. Do you see any search navigation? No, right? These are all the apps and shortcuts. I don't see any navigation bar. Correct, Anna? Excellent. I don't see any navigation bar. It means if you want to see the specific task, you must enter this task name in the search box and try to search. But if you go to SAP systems, but if you go to Oracle systems, most of the ERP systems are using by navigations. Most of the systems are using by navigation. And let's take the good example. PeopleSoft is a Oracle product. Okay, set up location, right? Maybe create location. See how to set up a new location in PeopleSoft. See now, you open anything. See how to set up the locations in PeopleSoft. Okay, they are telling this is a navigation. They are telling some navigations, correct? Let me go to the directly Oracle website. Okay, you can see how to set up the location and come little down. And this is a page you are going to set up the location, correct? And these all the navigations you should travel, correct or not? In case if you are using the Oracle systems, especially for the PeopleSoft, correct? Similarly, if you go to SAP systems, if you go to any other ERP systems, 90% of the ERP systems are designed by navigation bar. If you want to go for a specific task, you definitely go by navigation. See now, see setup HCM, correct? Setup HCM, founder, foundation tables, organization, correct? Under that organization, we have a location. Under that location, location address. Okay. So these all the navigations you should go. Then this page will open. And coming to Workday, you just enter the task name here and click on search. You will get the task name immediately. So which one is easy? I think search bar, correct? The search option is very easy and faster, correct? Anna? Okay, yes or no? Yeah,
Yes, yes,
yeah. Let me take the quality of example. Google is a navigation bar application or a search engine bar application? That's it. See now, Google is one of the most millions of people, billions of people are using the browser. Correct? Or not? They need any information in the Google, they always enter the search. For example, they are looking for a New York details. They're looking some details related to the New York. They just enter within the fraction of seconds, the related search result will come. Correct or not? The similarly in Workday, you are looking any information, you have to enter some proper search prefix to get that result immediately. For example, you are looking for Ajit. You are looking some details related to the Ajit. Immediately, Ajit related information should populate it. Correct or not? You are looking information related to the New York. It means the New York related informations should get populated. Yes or no? Similarly, any type of task names or any information you want to see, everything you should enter into the search bar. Unfortunately, Workday won't support any navigation bar. So Workday is a very strong search engine based application, and any type of information task you are going to enter the search. Okay, perfect. See, for example, you are hire one employee. See, you just enter the task name hire employee. Immediately, the hire employee task name will come. Okay, and if you in case terminate an employee, you are terminating an employee in the system. The task name is a terminated an employee task name. Yes or no? So the task names, at least you must and should have some idea. Which one is comments? This is a task name. That's what. See, the task name is coming, the reports also coming, correct or not? Because this terminated an employee will be matching. The matching prefix will come. You have to pick the right one, correct or not? Maybe the terminated employee is matching report, also it is matching task. You are performing the task. Okay, you are terminating one employee, you pick the task name. In case if you are running the report, maybe you can pick the second option to run the report. Okay, guys? Excellent. So that's what people can understand. Okay? Excellent. So this is for a terminated employee task. Okay? It means this is the most important property you must and should know. When you are working anything, you are always performing the such prefix. Yes or no? Excellent. How you will know each and every task? Okay, we'll discuss. Don't worry. So generally, you go to your profile picture. You go to your profile picture. Do you see the site map? Do you see the site map? Under the site map, you can see the list of all the modules, all the task names here. Don't worry. All the reports, all the tasks you can see here. You go to benefits. You can see under the benefits what tasks are available, what reports are available. You go to awards, no data maybe. Okay, means you don't have access. Okay, you go to expense. Okay, in expense, in expense, what reports are available and what tasks are available. So you don't need to remember each and everything. Every real-time developer should come to the site map. From there you can see the list of available tasks, the list of available reports, and also we are keep telling the number of commonly used activities in the training upcoming sessions also. You can remember each and every task. Don't worry about that. Okay. Hardly a 20 to 30 task names only you remember as a technical guy. That's it. You don't need to take so much thing. But if you are a functional consultant, you may need to remember so many activities. Correct or not? Perfect, guys. So, yeah. Mhm. So, these are the delivered reports. Okay. And custom reports are not available in this site because that's the customized one you created, right? So, what all delivered reports are available and what all the tasks are available for these modules. Okay. Perfect. Will come. Okay. So, the first one is the set box, correct? Yeah. What is your first important? You must and should know the how the defaults of your the workday navigations, the search button. See, here you will search any task and view details based on the business requirement and workday own support navigation bar and workday own support navigation bar. Okay, guys. Perfect. Okay, let's move to the next property. Go to menu. Do you see the apps? Do you see the apps? Perfect. Yes, these apps are The app is nothing but a collection of a collection of reports, a collection of tasks. Maybe if you go to a company, okay, guys, you joined a company, okay, maybe you joined a company, anything. Maybe you joined the company Rakuten. The Rakuten is having 10,000 employees. How many people are there in this company? 10,000 people are there. In the 10,000 people, all people are using Workday for HR operations and finance. Correct or not? Okay. For HR system, they are using Workday. It means all the 10,000 people are using Workday as part of the company HR operations. Correct or not? Yeah. So 10,000 people are end users. Correct? End users. Then who will be responsible for configurations, report builds, integration builds? Huh? Yeah, Workday people. Workday people, we are 7 members. How many members are there? These are Workday people, Workday admins, correct? Or Workday developers. Okay? Or Workday consultants, whatever it is. Okay? You guys can tell me this 10,000 people, all these people will know each and every report, every task? No, because these 10,000 people are few people working from Java, few people working from Python, few people working for testing, a few people working for finance, marketing, sales. The different people are there. Correct or not? Only the 7 people know Workday technology end to end. Correct or not? So that is why you know the task names because you are a Workday consultant. These 7 people know each and every task name. These 7 people know each and every report, each and every task names. At least these 7 people don't know. They can go to sitemap and see the details. Correct? But coming to these 10,000 people, we have a chairman, we have a vice presidents, we have a stakeholders, HR directors, managing directors, and Java developers, Python developers, testing team. There are different team members are there. Their main responsibility is to working for their related projects, not related to the workday projects. Correct or not? But how they remember the each and every task name? For example, in options, if when they are going to leave, right? They are going to they are going to create the request options, correct? Yeah. In the search prefix, in the search prefix, you have to enter the complete name. That's what. See, you have to enter the complete name, or you see. That's what you can enter the complete name. It will get the related things, correct? In case you don't want to add everything, at least first 3 letters you can enter correctly. See, are you key request options ABS. At least first 3 letters, if you enter correctly, that will also immediately get the certificate. Whatever you comfortable. Either you can enter the name completely or else at least first 3 letters you can enter correctly, then the search prefix will come. So request options task is available. Correct or not? Yes, user can select this task name in the search prefix and they can select, okay, they can continue, they can apply the leave. Yes or no? They can select the what type of leaves you are going to take and then apply. It means you must and should know the task name, yes or no? But but all the 10,000 people we cannot remember these task names, right? But anyway, we will provide the some user manuals. Okay, this is the user manual for applying a leave in Workday. Also, we will tell you one better way. These apps. These apps is nothing but a collection of commonly used tasks This this apps is nothing but a commonly used task names and commonly used reports. If you go to options module, see, you click on this app, you can see a commonly used activities in one place. Yes or no? That's what you people can understand. See, you can see my options. You can check your reports. Okay, what are my options? See now, these are options you are applied so far. And see the balances. How many balances you have so far? The employee can able to run this report, correct or not? Where the report is linked, these options here, correct or not? They are going to raise the options. This is the task name. Where this task is connected in your options app, correct or not? Yes or no? In case you apply the sick leave, later you realize, okay, by mistakenly I applied the sick leave for 4 days. I want to only apply for 2 days. Okay? Then you have to correct your leave, right? Yes or no? Where you can correct your leave, see correct options. You know, the next task name. Guys, system is running very slow. Yeah. See, correct my option. Apply the options. You can manage your options details. You can see the balances and reports will be connected in the options area. Correct or not? Okay, I don't want to close my current window. I want to open another new window parallelly. I can work multiple tasks one at a time. How can you do that? Go to top of the tab, right click, click on the duplicate session. See now? Click on duplicate session. It means you are not closing the current session. Parallelly, you are open one more duplicate session. See? Here you can perform multiple tasks. Yes or no? This tab you are performing one task. This tab you are performing one more task. Workday will allow. Okay. Go to this. Generally, worklet config. Okay. View worklet configure. See now? Which one we are talking about? Options one. So these are the worklet configuration. The apps is nothing but the worklet here in Workday. Upcoming class will discuss in detail. Don't worry. I'm just telling the high level overview. Okay. You click on OK. So this is your options worklet, right? Yes or no? See, this is the a tenant defined configuration worklet. You can see the reports. You can see the task. See request options. Yes or no? This is the worklet view worklet configuration. Similarly, we also have edit worklet configuration also we have. Okay. Edit worklet configuration. See, so these all the different apps are available. All these apps will be configured by delivered one. Correct or not? See, guys, you want to edit those delivered worklet configurations. You can edit. You can configure those worklets. See, you can remove someone's. You can add something. Okay. So especially for options, to take good example, you can configure it your end. Okay. You want to add one more task here. You want to add one more task. Okay. You can sell your time off. Sell time off means you can donate your leave to some other team members. Yeah, that's means of generally functionalities. Okay. Sell time off means you have some leaves, you can transfer your leave to someone. So that task is available, the sell time off, correct? Buy time off. You can buy. You can buy leave from the different employees. That's what the activities you don't want to sell time off in your reports, in your absence workload. See the reports. Okay, the standard reports are. You want to add one more report, you can add. See now, you can add one more report. See my expiry accruals, correct? Everything should automatically go to apps, go to options app. You get those reports what you added additionally. Okay, it's still loading, guys. So see you added one new report. It's coming. Yes or no? Yeah. So why these apps are very useful? It is a collection of or a combination of a most commonly used reports or task names are aggregated in one place. Aggregated in one place, so that these people are normal employees. They're part of different operations, and these end users can easily access those apps for each modules. They can see most commonly used reports. Correct or not? Reports are task names. Correct? They don't want to remember those task names. I said no. They don't want to enter those task names here manually because it's painful for them. Correct or not? Perfect. You go to app and see options, time. See now? You can also see this is for team time. This is for time. Maybe every week you are requesting the time, right? Yes or no? Weekly time schedule. You go to this week time. See, you did not enter the time sheet for this week. You can enter the time sheets. Okay, you can enter the time here and you can submit it for approvals. Correct, Anna? You can see select week, request time off. See overtime request. Maybe you work for overtime. 2 hours you work extra. You can also claim your overtime request. Okay, you can tell them there are 2 hours you worked on over. You can provide the comment and submit it. This overtime will get approved. This overtime you will get the salary additional benefit salaries or maybe combo. This will convert it to combo. Sometimes you worked on holiday, correct or not? You will get a leave for that. Okay. So every module, talent module, compensation module, recruiting module, options module. Okay. Every module, the most common task names and reports are okay. They combined and they created these apps. That's what I mentioned very clearly. The apps is nothing but here we can see the list of all commonly used tasks under each area like options, benefits, time tracking, and the recruitment, etc. Okay, perfect. This can be easy useful for the end user perspectives. Developers we will never use apps. Okay, mostly the end users, the regular employees are going to use these apps to perform their activities on daily operations. Okay, perfect. Maximum, guys, the doubts we'll discuss end of the session. Don't worry. Just make a note. Okay. And how many maximum apps we can add? 20 apps you can add. See now, maximum 20 apps you can add and display. See, I can see only a limited apps here. Correct or not? I can see the I can see only a limited apps here. Okay, if you want to add any additional apps, you can click the apps, add apps. You can add the apps. For example, I am going to add the recruiting app. Maybe let me check any other apps we have. Okay, this user doesn't have access many apps. That's why only limited things are coming. No, only these two recommended apps are available. I think this user doesn't have access. Okay, in case you want to remove these apps, you can edit it, you can remove it. Correct or not? Okay, I don't want to. I don't want to this payroll app. I don't want to directory app. Correct? You can remove it and then save it. In case if you want to add, you click the add apps. Again, you want to add, you can add. Okay? That's our completely our control. Okay? A few apps are mandatory apps we can enable at the tenant level itself. It means those apps will get by defaultly for all employees. Okay? Those cannot remove from the users. We can directly configure those apps mandatory. It means required apps. Okay? So where we can control that? Upcoming sessions we'll discuss. Don't worry. In the dashboard level, we can tell you. Okay? So all these apps, okay, we can configure the workplace. We can also distribute it for tenant level. Okay. The next one is shortcuts. The next one is shortcuts. The shortcut is nothing but every day you are performing one. Okay, every day you are performing one reports, or every day you are performing one task regularly. For example, hire employee task you are performing regularly. Okay. In case you want to add this in a shortcut, you can go to shortcut, add the shortcut as a hire employee. You can add this. It means any regular tasks or reports you can connect to add here. See now, every day you are performing the hire employee task, right? You can add. Then immediately it will go to hire employee task. Okay, means that's what you can see when you are adding the shortcut. You can read the description. You understand this. Add task, reports. Those you can connect it to link the shortcuts. Maximum how many shortcuts you can add? Only 10. Only 10 shortcuts you can add. It means the most commonly used reports or task maximum 10 you can maintain the shortcuts. Just for shortcuts. That's it. Okay. See now, the next one is shortcuts. Here we can add the regular usage task. Here we can add the regular usage tasks or reports or any external links so that business can quickly open those tasks to perform their duties. Okay. See, maximum 10 shortcuts we can use it. Okay. The next one is home button, guys. This is the home button. You open some activities. I don't want to in this page. I want to go by home button. See, do you see home page button? In this home page button, we uploaded the workday image. We uploaded the workday image. If you go to your company, generally the company image will be uploaded here. The company image will be uploaded here. Generally, where we can set up that edit tenant setup system. Where it is? Edit tenant setup system. Welcome to Workday. The notification when you are signing, these notes are coming correct or not? And any custom message you want to display. And do you see the tenant logo? Huh? Tenant logos. See now? This is the home page. So generally, you did not configure anything. That's why it is taken by defaultly workday image. In case if you want to upload your image, you can create that image, then that will come. But don't do that, okay? Don't do that, guys. I'm just telling that how the logos, how the images are uploaded. Very simple. The edit tenant setup system. Here you can maintain those images. Especially, I'm canceling this one, guys. Especially this background image and this particular home page button. The images should be configured by your company logos. Okay. For example, you take the Remicon. See, now you can download this image. We can update it. Okay. So generally, how that images will be coming. Okay. Okay. It may take some time. Okay. So we want to sign out and sign in again. Sorry. I was added here, correct? Yeah. Sign in image here. It is. But don't do that. I'm just telling that how this will be coming. Okay. Okay. If you want to change these images also, you can change the images. I was uploaded only. Okay. Print tenant logo. Okay. So generally, again, you need to relog in and refresh this page. So those images will come. Okay. So don't update these images, guys. I'm just showing the how that look and feel will come. Okay. So better I can remove those images. Okay, perfect. Okay. So this image generally the home button will come. So if you open any task, anything, or you are, you open some activities, okay, you are open something, you are doing something, and again you want to come back to the home page, you click on this home page, always this will come to be a default login page. Okay, so that's what if you click on home button, it will always default it to the home login page. Home login page. The next one is the workday assistant, correct? See, we completed the menu, apps and shortcuts, and home page. We also discussed about the search box, and this is for the workday assistant functionality. The AI functionalities. AI functionalities. What is that? The artificial intelligence, correct? Perfect. So if you people are allowing me for another 10-15 minutes extra time, we'll take this topic today, or else we'll continue by tomorrow. Because see, nowadays this AI is very, very important. Okay. If you go to Workday, just go and see the Workday in Workday company main website. They are concentrating on AI platform. See, Workday is the first application introducing the AI and MI functionalities extensively in HR and finance operations. So this is the first platform for HR and finance applications. You can also go through the demo. You will get why Workday and why many of the customers are moving to Workday. This is one of the best example you people can understand. Okay, perfect. So this is what the assistant functionalities, the AI functionalities. Okay, artificial intelligence. Okay, anyone knows the Chat GPT? Huh? Nowadays people are using this, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See now, if you say hi, system can understand our keywords. Hey, how are you? What's going on? Okay. You can say today's date, please. How maturity of the system? Today's date, please. System is telling that. Okay. So India time, please. Okay. Offer letter, accept email. Do you understand what is happening, guys? You just simply say offer letter, accept email. Then the things are coming. Yes or no? Hope you understand how
Yes, sir.
nowadays people are using Chat GPT, even small kids also. Fourth class, fifth class children's also using the Chat GPT for their better study purpose. Okay, so this is what the artificial intelligence. We don't want to depending so much on the humans. You will be depending on the system, and system will help us the things. Due to this artificial intelligence, there are lakhs of jobs are removed in the BPOs, call centers. Correct or not? Excellent. Perfect. Can I give you one best example? I think most of the people are using bank, right? Let's take HSBC Bank or HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. This is the bank, right? Yes or no? You can also see something assistant, right? You click on this Ask Eva. There are so many services we have. If you say hi, system will tell this. Hey, how are you? How can I help you today? Okay. I need my okay credit card services. Sir. Credit card services. Immediately the credit card related things will be coming. Yes or no? You apply for a credit card, you unlock the credit card. Yes or no? You just enter the credit card services, see what all credit card services are available. It will be displayed. You can apply the credit card loan. You can see credit card summary. Oh, Okay, just proceed this and ask him to just provide your mobile number 9036524237 example. Okay, I got some OTP maybe. I need to enter my OTP details. My God. Okay, so I'm just entering my OTP. See, maybe it's not a valid OTP. Let me write this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Um, I'm not sure. Uh, not using properly this. Just a minute, guys. And then I got the what was my a total limit and what was my available limit. Okay, you can get okay what was my outstanding balance and what was the due date expected. Okay, you can get details. You can get statement details, transaction details, or you can left. You can leave this one. Don't worry. Okay, imagine at 10 to 15 years before, if you need something from bank, is this available? You need checkbook. You lost your credit card. Maybe you lost your debit card. Your ATM pin expired or your ATM pin was forgot that. You should go to a bank and wait for some time to get you fill some documentations, get the service done. Correct? So much of manual thing earlier, right? Now everything should automated with the technology. Yes or no? The assistant functionalities. Hey, what kind of help you need from the bank? You can come and utilize my service. Due to these kind of assistant functionalities, we reduce the number of quality, see, the number of customer care people, the help, the help desk engineer people. Even if you go to bank will tell you, hey, call to my, you can use my apps. Okay, ask your app to resolve your issues. If still you need any help, you please call to customer care. That's what you are saving time and you are getting all the things easily, right? You can do it from your end. You are not depending anybody. That's what the technology. You can in this time you will spend some valuable things. Correct or not? Instead of going to bank, waiting time, connected people, fill documentations, resolve the issues. Instead of that, you have a mobile app. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you can raise the request, get it resolved from your end. Correct or not? Similarly, Workday is also introducing the AI functionalities. See, you just say hi. This will also tell you that, okay, show the capabilities. Okay, yeah, hey, hi. So, what can I do for you? Okay, my phone number, please. It means you don't have any phone number. Then it says no, you don't have any phone numbers. Okay, show my leave balance. Show my leave balance. You can see the leave balance. It is or no? Okay, then apply leave. Apply leave. Okay, I don't have the information. Is there anything else? Okay, maybe apply leave. They did not understand. Okay, okay. Request timeout. Let me take that. Okay, request time. Okay, what are the start and end date you are applying for? Time of request. Today's date. Okay, okay. They are telling that. Okay, today's leave. Okay, flexible time hours. Okay, see. Can I submit? Just review and submit. That's it. See, seems to be error because I don't have a leave balance to submit it at this one. Okay, you can check your options calendar to see your balances. Okay, you already exceeded the leave balance flexible time hours. It is not possible to submit. It means how quality of the assistant functionalities developed by Workday. Okay, I'm going to share this Workday assistant go live approximately a 300 plus the Workday product team are involved. 300 plus quality of Workday developers are involved. Almost 10 years they developed these functionalities. Okay, and 2022 they went live assistant functionalities with very limited options. In 2024 now they established most of the HR and finance operations in AI. Okay, any type of your leave balance check, your time tracking, your benefits your benefits details, any type of details you want to help anything on the workday, you can utilize this workday assistant functionalities. Okay, same as outside AI functionalities using for the process. Right? Chart GPT is a global one, correct? But if you go to the HDFC Bank, ask AI, which is related to the bank. Similarly, in Workday assistant functionalities, which is related to the Workday only. The Workday functionalities, if you need any help, see, even the data entry also. See, now, you ask to apply the leave, you ask to show the balances, you ask to apply the leave. System is allowed to submit the leave also. Correct or not? System enter those details, but it is not submitted because some validation error. That's okay. Huh? You can also request. You can try one more thing. Request time. Okay, today's date. Maybe we'll take the you know this SD time off. See, this time have balance. This has been submitted. Correct? Anna? You are not logged into Workday. This app also you can install your mobile app. You can perform easily. Company chairmen, company vice president, company HR people, senior directors, senior managers, they can easily enter the details. They can easily perform the daily HR operations. Correct? Anna? So that is what the Workday is keep moving to the number one position because of these kind of quality of functionalities. Okay, perfect. And guys, I will tell you one thing. By using the chart GPT, correct? By using the chart GPT, you are not writing a coding, correct or not? Online people, yes or no? You are asking the questions, correct?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes, sir.
not a developer. You are not writing any code. You are just end user, and you are just need to know how to use the chart GPT. And behind the screens, we have so many members, quality of people are designing this application, designing the code, correct? The AI functionality developers. Similarly, in Workday, using the Workday assistant, not a coding, because this assistant functionality is completely designed and delivered by the Workday product team. Behind the scenes, they already a huge product team to design these functionalities. Okay, we are just need to know how to use these functionalities. That's it. And don't feel you are writing complex code here because we just need to know how to use everything the same thing. You are creating integrations, you are designing reports. You just need to know how to use those things to set up the process. Okay, you don't feel it is a complex code. Okay, yeah. So this is the assistant functionalities. The Workday assistant will help you a lot of with employee self services and manager self services to guide many things. Okay, perfect. Guys, anyone have any doubts today's session? Huh?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So, when do we create a task? Do we create a task on a request? And if at all, if that is a request, who will give us the task, sir?
Task will receive from the business, right? Okay,
Can you be little clear about the business, like example?
that's what you will not get the clear right now. It may take time. Okay, wait for another 10, 15 classes, then we'll get because see, we are in the beginning to
Okay.
what is the each and everything. Correct or not?
Yeah.
If you go to my previous batch sessions, you may get it. Okay, these all the process we are in the very beginning. It is not easy to explain where it will come, how it will come, because so many things are there. No? Correct or not?
Yeah.
For example, so we'll complete the basic things, then we'll go to actual subject. We
Oh,
explain what is report and how many types of reports we have and
oh,
what all the things we have and generally how the requirements are coming from business. See, this is a requirement where you how you will receive the requirement from business. If you receive any requirement from business and in the solutions, what all things you are going to perform. Correct or not?
yeah.
That's what we will discuss upcoming sessions. Okay, don't worry about
Okay. So another question is you have mentioned about the logo and the background.
that.
So if first of all, who will do the logo and background change? It
That's
is
what
a
at the time of implementation itself. Okay, Workday product team itself they configure. Maybe after 1 year, again company logos are changed.
okay.
We will responsible to update the images. Okay, don't
Okay.
worry about
Okay. So sir, when we change the logo and background,
it.
then whole business or the company can see the change, right?
Yes, it will impact for all the things. In
Okay.
whole company will change.
Okay. Got it.
For example, see, you are login as now it is showing only Workday image, right?
Yeah.
But earlier I was updated this to Remicon. If you go to Finum people, they already updated the image. This is for Finum people. See, they already updated their image, company image.
Hmm.
Capgemini also maybe they updated the Capgemini image. That's what. It
Okay.
depends on the requirements. We keep changing that. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.